All right, Mr. Garcia, how are you today?
Hey, good afternoon. Doing pretty good.
I feel like we do this a lot. I'm getting used to talking with you on Zoom. Give me,
Get to
yeah,
know me, huh?
get to know you. Yeah, give me an update on what's going on in Galveston County with respect to your case.
We I was just telling them about it. My lawyer came to me about 2 weeks ago, and he said, asked me. He said, "Man, you ready to go home?" I was like, "Yeah, of course." And he went in with the affidavit from the guy that the case that's holding me up is this possession of a prohibited substance or item
Correct.
that they did a major shakedown and found a sharpened toothbrush under this guy's seat. So they charged me with it. I don't know why. They said that they looked like I passed it under the table. Anyway, so the guy wrote a statement, confession of affidavit confession, said it was his. So my lawyer was taking it to them, and he said the DA didn't want to accept it for some reason. So I have another hearing on the second, on December the 2nd, another hearing. So, um,
All
so
right.
deposition there.
I'll tell you what we're gonna do then. We're just gonna keep on kicking the can. We're gonna kick the can down the road I'll set you again on December 15th. Okay,
Okay.
December
Um,
December 15th, and we'll do another. If you get out on the second, then they come up here and see me on the 15th. If not, then I would just ask jail staff to let us Zoom again on the 15th.
okay. Can you ask me when we first started doing this if I wanted a lawyer? Can I still ask get an appointed lawyer just to get stuff rolling? I think. I mean, in this case, this keeps going on and on here. I mean, we can
You
maybe come.
you can request a court appointed attorney. To do so, you're going to have to fill out some paperwork, and the court's going to have to review that. But my recollection, Mr. Garcia, was that you felt like you could hire an attorney to represent you.
I can when if I get out of here. That's the deal. I mean, I have a little money. I mean, I have uh, just enough to maybe give him something for a retainer. But I mean, to hire an attorney on a felony, it's going to be a couple of few $1,000s probably. So that's what I was relying on is getting out of here so I could go to work. I used to own a tattoo shop in Kaufman, um, Boondocks Tattoos. It was there 10 years. I mean, so I'm a award-winning tattoo artist. I could make up to $1,000 a day. So the money isn't any problem if I get out because I have two tattoo shops that I'll go work at. It's right when I mean right out the door when I go out when I
Well,
get
let's
out.
let's do this. You're just under arraignment in our charge. That's what you're charged with: unlawful possession of firearm by felon here in Van Zandt County. We're set for arraignment. So once you get out down there, then we'll cross that bridge on whether or not we can get you an attorney. Okay. So
Okay. Because I mean, even if we can't resolve this case in how I would like, I've got 9 months going on 10 months here. So I mean, it's a I have a state jail felony what I originally came in with, and so I mean that's pretty much time served on that. But it's just fighting this little case here, the one that they got me on the contraband case, whatever they call it. So if we can get this done this month, man, I'll be out, and then so yeah, that's my ideal. I mean, I have a lawyer, up there, so it's
well, let's do this. I think the thing that's best for you and best for me is we just reset this. We see what happens with your case down there. When you show back up here, if you're out, then we'll give you time to get that attorney hired so he can represent you. And if we find that at that time you don't have the money and you're unable to, then you'll let me know. We'll fill out that paperwork, and then we'll see about getting you court appointed at that time once I get you here. Okay.
that's good. That's cool, sir. One more question. Just say, um, just say I can't get this resolved in a timely manner. Um, does my time here that I've been here this 10 months now go towards anything? Like say we came to a plea agreement up there or something. I'm just doing this hypothetically. This time that I've been here in the county here, does it count towards that? Or even if I get out, say if I get out here, would this time count towards if I had just to do, get a little time up there or something. I don't know. I mean, just thinking about that.
If I am correct, and I would have to confirm, but if I'm correct, the Van Zandt County has a detainer hold on you, which means if you were to be released there, then Van Zandt County would be notified to come pick you up. If that detainer is on hold, is holding you right now, then you're going to get credit for any sentence you may get here. You would get your credit that you spend down there. If Van Zandt County does not have a hold on you, meaning that you're sitting there on Galveston County charges only, and you are released without a Van Zandt County hold, then you would be getting credit. Okay, so you can check with jail staff there in Galveston County. They can tell you whether or not we have a hold. I don't know off the top of my head at this time, Mr. Cox. I don't know if you know if Van Zandt County has a hold on Mr. Garcia at this time, or if you could check with.
I believe we do, Your Honor.
Say that again.
I believe we do.
Okay. So right now
I'm on bond. I'm on bond for that charge up there.
Okay. Well, then that answers the question. If you're on bond, then you're not accruing any credit towards any Van Zandt County case, because that would mean if Galveston County dismissed your case today, you'd be able to walk away from that jail because there's no other hold on you. So if you're still on hold, if you're on bond with Lone Star bail bonds, correct?
Cowboy.
Cowboy?
I think.
It says Lone Star on mine.
Okay.
But if you're on bond in this case, then you're not accruing any credit. You wouldn't be getting any credit because you're not being detained on our case.
Okay. What if
your bondsman went off the bond?
No. What if I signed for some time here?
For Galveston County?
Yeah. Say I signed for a year.
Then I can't give you legal advice, but hypothetically speaking, if you were on bail and you signed for time down there, most times what happens is the bondsman would go off your bail, and then Van Zandt County would put a hold on you there.
So then that time that I have here would count.
No, the time that you started accruing after your bondsman went off the bond would start accruing only from that time. So you've not earned any time towards the Van Zandt County charge since you've been on bail. If you want to accrue time, if your bondsman went off your bond and Van Zandt County put a hold, that's when the credit time clock would start ticking for you.
Woo! So I lost 9 months here then.
Potentially. Now that doesn't mean the state couldn't, agree to that, but they wouldn't be legally be required to do that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anything else?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. We'll see you back on December 15th. And jail staff, I thank you. I appreciate your help in getting Mr. Garcia hooked up today.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
All right. And if you'll just make a note for December 15th, that's a Tuesday. If we can just get him in. You want to do 3 o'clock? That's a good time for us as well.
All right. 3 o'clock it is, sir.
That's better for you.
Yeah, that's good. That works, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you,
gentlemen, have a good day.
Y'all do the same.
All right. Now are we good to go?
Now we're good to go.
That's a good catch. I would have forgotten all about it until I didn't.
It's kudos to Danny Cox. He caught that. So
No, Hillary caught it.
oh. Now we're going to sign off.
Now we're going to sign off. All
Real
right.
quick, before we do, Judge, would you let Estella know that Hillary and I are on our way over to take another look at that evidence for next week?
You just did.
Okay, thanks.
She said she's leaving right now, and she's going to lock her door. All right. See y'all.